Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the types of artificial intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence versus strong artificial intelligence. The weak AI, also called the narrow AI or artificial narrow intelligence, is AI trained and focused to perform the specific task. Weak AI drives most of the AI that surround us today. The narrow might be a more accurate descriptor for this type of the AI as it is anything but weak. It enables some very robust applications such as the Apple's Siri, Amazon Alexa, IBM Weston and the autonomous vehicle. Strong AI is made up of the artificial general intelligence, the AGI, and the artificial superintelligence. Artificial general intelligence or the general AI is theoretical form of AI where a machine would have an intelligence equated to human. It would have a self-aware consciousness that has the ability to solve problems, learn and plan for the future. The artificial superintelligence, also known as the superintelligence, would surpass the intelligence and ability of human brain, while the strong AI is still entirely theoretical with no practical example in use today. That doesn't mean the AI researchers are not also exploring its development. In the meantime, the best examples of ASI might be from the science fiction, such as HAL, Superhuman, the Rough Computer Assistant in 2001, and many more. The deep learning versus machine learning. Since the deep learning and the machine learning tend to be used interchangeably, it is worth noting the nuances between the two. As mentioned above, the both deep learning and machine learning and subfields of artificial intelligence as well as the deep learning is actually a subfield of machine learning. The deep learning is actually comprised of a neural network. Deep in the deep learning refers to a neural network comprised of more than 3 layers and which would be inclusive of the input and output can be considered a deep learning algorithm. This is generally represented using a diagram below. The way in which the deep learning and the machine learning differ in how each algorithm learns about learning automatics and much of the features extraction piece of the process, eliminating some of the manual human intervention required and enabling the use of the larger data set. You can think of the deep learning as scalable machine learning, as Lex Friedman noted in some MIT lecture. From above, the classical or non-deep machine learning is more dependent on the human intervention to learn. The human expert determines the hierarchy of the features to understand the differences between data input and usually requiring more structured data to learn. The deep learning machine can leverage labeled datasheet, also known as supervised learning, to inform its algorithm, but it doesn't necessarily require a labeled data sheet. It can ingest the unstructured data in its raw form and it can automatically determine the hierarchy of the features which distinguish between the categories of the data from one and other. Unlike machine learning, it doesn't require the human intervention to process the data, allowing us to scale the machine learning in more interesting ways. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Keep watching, keep supporting.